Well guys, today we're going to be talking about the Five Nights at Freddy's 4 trailer. I know I do Five Nights at Freddy's a lot, and that's just because I'm addicted to the game. So anyway, the first thing I wanted to talk about is the fact that now the first thing in the trailer is the setting of the game. Now, it's taking place in a house, so yeah, I thought it was going to take place at like another establishment, and I thought it was going to be a prequel to Five Nights at Freddy's 2, but I thought it was going to take place in Fredbear's Family Diner, so, but apparently I was wrong. It takes place somewhere completely different, which they've basically followed you home. So, yeah, maybe, I have a theory. Now, you are playing as a child, but I had a theory that you could be playing as the Bite of 87 victim. That would be so cool, wouldn't it? That would just be so cool, the animatronics trying to do a big gang bang on top of you, like that wouldn't be good. Anyway, imagine if the child got brain damage from the bite, and like he's thinking he sees these animatronics as like a hallucination or something, or maybe the kid's just Maybe the kid's asleep and he's just having like a really scary nightmare. And anyway, apparently the nightmare animatronics, like Nightmare Bonnie and Nightmare Chica, like in the trailer, we saw that they back off when you shine light. Now, first off, there's two reasons why you need the flashlight. One, because they scare away the animatronics, and two, the rooms are pitch black, so you won't be able to see without flashing the light. But so anyway, what I wanted to say was anyway, let's talk about the little Freddles. So, now they appear right after it says watch your back. So you need to turn all the way around. Like, say for example, I was the actual child, and then I had to look behind me. So yeah, and let's say I looked all the way around, and then I was like, you stay on that bed, yous. And so yeah, also, it said close your doors to stop Nightmare Bonnie and Chica from getting in. So yeah, also, we also have Nightmare Foxy peeking out from the closet. So maybe that's like his Pirate's Cove now, I'm guessing. It's a closet. But anyway, now let's talk about Plush Trap. Now, with Plush Trap, apparently, he's off the seat, and then when you put light on, he springs right back on his seat. So maybe, and also on the floor there's an X. If you didn't, now I don't know how many people saw this, but there's an X on the floor. And instead of there being time up in the top right hand corner, there's a timer in which it went to 49 and it was at 50 before. So maybe if if Plush Trap gets to the X, that means you lose. And maybe the timer in the top right hand corner. I've got two theories about the timer in the top right hand corner. Theory number one, it could be the power of the flashlight, or number two, it could be the amount of time that Plush Trap has before he kills you. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, Yeah, it's going to be really hard to keep track of all these things. Like, thank you. Anyway, as I was saying, it's going to be really hard to keep track of all these things. Like, close the doors to make sure the nightmare animatronics don't get in. Close the doors to make sure the nightmare animatronics don't get in. Check the closet to keep Nightmare Foxy asleep. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, and check the bed to see if any of the frittles have moved or not. And check trap to see if he's still on the chair. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be really hard to keep track of all these things. Yeah, it really is going to be a nightmare. Also, it's weird to think that there is some purple things in this kid's bedroom. Like, there's a purple fan, there's a purple toy, there's a purple car. There's a little purple robot, and there's a little purple car. I don't know how many people notice the purple car, but there is a purple car on that floor. I didn't even notice this when I first watched the trailer, but there was a phone on the floor. Now maybe that's an actual phone that he just took upstairs, and maybe he was like listening to a call and then from his friend or something, and then he just left the phone on the floor or something. I don't know. But anyway, I didn't notice this either when I first watched the trailer, but at the top right hand corner it says like 1 AM, 3 AM, 2 AM, 12 AM a couple of times, but it doesn't say night 1, night 2 or night anything. So yeah, is there really 5 nights, or is it just one big game? Like, you know what I mean? Like maybe Scott Cawthon hasn't added the nights in yet, or he didn't, or he forgot to add them in at the time of filming, or maybe there's no nights. Maybe it's one night. Like, maybe it's just like one big and long night. Maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, that is the end of this video. That's the end of the Finance of Phrase 4 trailer analysis, and I'll see you next time.